Hi, third graders. I want to walk through with you how to complete this digital flipbook that I'm going to assign you for social studies for the next few weeks. In social studies, we started talking about the 5 regions of the United States, and everyone has this flipbook that they will be working on throughout our discussion and all of the learning that we'll be doing about the different regions of the United States. So how to use this flipbook. So you'll get it as a Google slide document like you normally do. So to how to use this flipbook, it says to flip, quote unquote, to the different pages of this flipbook, click on the tabs along the bottom of the slides. So you'll see those along the bottom. Then click on the slide number to actually go to that slide. Click on the yellow arrow to always return to the home slide. So there are places throughout this that you can add text to it. So you'll be able to type in those places. And you can insert images from the web to represent each text feature. So you would go to insert and then hover over image. So same thing right here. Here's insert and then image, and then you search the web. And then whenever you click that, there's search for images box that comes up over here, and then you just type in what you're looking for and then insert it into the slideshow. So to present the slideshow, up here it's almost cut off. There's a word that says present. So when I click on that, then the entire slideshow is presented. And whenever it's like this, I cannot type right there. Every time I click, it advances me to the next slide. So I'm going to press the escape key on the keyboard to get back to here. So if I want to type in my information, I have to still have my screen look like this. So then I can come here and see how my cursor changed to an I. That means that I can click here now and I can backspace where it says add text here, and I can type my name. So then now that I have changed that, I just clicked out of here to get it to go away. So now when I press present, it says my name now. So I cannot edit the document if I'm presenting the document. So I cannot be in presentation mode to add in information. I have to be like this, and then I can type in the different text that I can. Now, this is what you're doing along with another presentation that I'm going to give you. All of this information, I don't expect you to just know right off the top of your head. So this is what goes along with another presentation that you're going to get to click through and learn about all the different regions of the United States, what the weather's like in each region, the different states that are in each region, some different tourist destinations. So if you go on vacation, if you go down to the Southwest, some things that people normally do or see when they're in the Southwest. So you'll see all kinds of information about all of these regions. But everywhere where you see it says add text here, you can add text, you can erase where it says add text here, and then type your own information into it. So this one right here, so it goes through each one of the regions. This one's the Northeast, and then this one is the Southeast. Notice down the tabs down at the bottom. The Midwest, so all of these places where it says add text here, add text here. So you'll be typing in the names of these states. So number 1, that's North Dakota. So then you would type here, North Dakota. So everywhere it says add text, that's where a place where you can delete where it says add text and then type your own information. So you're going to be using this little flip book for the next 3 weeks. We're going to be talking about these for 3 weeks and probably, after Christmas as well. So this one is the Midwest. We've got the Southwest. This is the first one that we did. Someone in the class picked this one today. This one is the West. And notice that Hawaii and Alaska are a part of this too. And then here it says insert images from your favorite destinations on your road trip, include a caption for each snapshot. So for example, in the Southwest, we talked about it today and learned that the Grand Canyon is in the Southwest. So I could insert image and then search the web, and then now that this pops up, I can type in Grand Canyon, and then all kinds of pictures from the Grand Canyon pop up. We'll say I just like this one first. So it check marks it for me, and then I come down here and hit insert, and then it inserts the picture for me. Now notice it has these blue squares all around it. That's where I can then adjust my picture. If I want to turn the picture slightly, I'm going to rotate it like so and just resize it so that it fits into the little picture area. And then for my caption, I would say the Grand Canyon. So as we go through all this, this is the very last page, the very, very last page of your flipbook. So this is not done until you've learned about every single region. So that's why it's snapshots, that's why it's at the end. So you can put different things that you see from each region on this last slide. So hopefully this makes sense for you. I'm going to be sharing this flipbook with you very, very soon. But remember, you can't do the flipbook until you have the other Linktivity that I'm going to give you. So be patient. I'm going to do another video explaining it, and then I will share it with you as well. So see you soon.